How to add bullet points in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Google Sheets has a lots of functionality. Sometimes you may want to create a list and include bullet points on each of them. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, click on the cell where you want to add bullet points. For Windows, simply press Alt plus number 7 on your numeric keypad. A bullet points will immediately appear on your cell. Since I'm using Linux operating system, I'll be following second method. A second method is by using char formula. Type equals to char, open parenthesis, 9679 close parenthesis, and then enter. You are done. Bullet points appear. And there you have it. You have successfully added bullet points in Google Sheets. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.